What do these three words have in common? You guessed it, they all have a deleted syllable. Technically, chocolate has 3 syllables, chocolate. But when we say this word, we only pronounce 2 syllables, chocolate, chocolate. Syllable 1 is our stressed syllable, chocolate. Every technically has 3 syllables, every. However, when we say this word, we say it with just 2 syllables, every. Stress on the first syllable, every. Accidentally has 5 syllables, accidentally. However, when we say this word in regular speech, we delete the vowel in our 4th syllable, accidentally, accidentally. Oh, and by the way, the 3rd syllable is our stressed syllable, accidentally. What other words do you know with deleted syllables? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see you next time.